How to go live on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to go live on TikTok. So let's get started. Keep in mind that we can go live on TikTok. If you have like more than 1000 followers, then you will get the live option on TikTok really easily. But if you're not getting that option and if you're facing some problem, then I'm here to solve it for you. So what you need to do is you simply will open up your profile and you will get right here. So I need to go live now and I'm having a problem. So I will just click on these three lines right here at the top corner and then I will click on settings and privacy. After that, you just have to scroll down and click on report a problem. So once you do that, it will open up our problem section for us on TikTok, and you will see that in popular problems we have I can start a live. So you're going to click on this option right here, and then we have to see that there are some community guidelines and there are some conditions to it. So if you have those conditions, if you fulfill these conditions and you still cannot start a live, then you can just click on no, and then we're going to click on need more help. All right, so here we are. And here you just have to type I cannot start a live and then add a photo or a video if you have as an evidence. And then just add your username. Make sure to add your username right here in the report. And then just click on report option and it will send a report to TikTok. And TikTok will get back to you in 24 hours and you will be able to start a live. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and turn on bell notification. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.